Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this I bought in IMG Worlds in Dubai, and this is the Iron Man LED touch. Okay, they mentioned as LED touch, but in reality it's just the light will glow. So right now it doesn't have a battery. I mean, it has a battery, but the battery ran out. So I actually bought this on a discount. So see, it doesn't work. Okay, let's first unwrap this one and see what kind of battery is inside. If I'm able to get it now, let me just try to make it work. Okay. Okay, give me a second, guys. Okay, guys, here is the card. So it has some wordings here, like what to do and what not to do and all these things. Okay, let's throw this out and look at the keychain itself. It's made of plastic. Okay, let me just open this and see what battery is inside. If I'm thinking what it is, if it matches what I think, then I have 3 more batteries. Let's try to make it work. Just give me a second. I'll just open it and come back. Okay guys, here we are. I put some fresh batteries inside, and the inside is doesn't look really good. The batteries are actually leaked. See here, I don't know for how long it was sitting there in the shelf, and how many people are actually clicking it and one day using it. So let's try and let's see if it is lighting up. Yep, it does. Okay, finally we got it working. Luckily the battery I had suited this one. Okay guys, so this is it. So that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. It would be a great help if you guys subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye.